Hello my friends, welcome back to Keto and the Chaos. My name is Tammy, and on this channel I like to share all my tips and tricks on how I lost 205 pounds without surgery and how you can be successful in your own weight loss journey. So if that's what you're looking for, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and ring the bell for more videos like this one to inspire you to get started. I dropped you off by the stairs and then you went over here, so I was like, fish store.
Yes. Hi.
Good morning. Just dropped my daughter off at school. Heading to the gas station to get gas. Good morning. Welcome to whatever day it is at this point, I don't even know, of my reverse diet. Today will be my third day at 1400 calories. If you're curious about all that, you're gonna have to go and watch some of the earlier videos. I have talked about it ad nauseum. And I don't want to talk about it today, but I will talk about one thing, the weigh-in. Yes, you saw it, didn't you? 175. This is my life, guys. And this is the thing that I've talked about on my channel so many times. You cannot go by what the scale says to determine whether or not what you are doing is working. Especially for me. Because, yep, I'm up 6 pounds. 6 pounds in a week. And you know what? That doesn't surprise me. You know why? Because it happens every month. Happens every month. And you know what's coming, guys? A giant water weight whoosh that I hate. I hate it almost as much as watching the scale go up. I hate watching the scale go down that fast because it makes me really lose my electrolytes no matter how well I do on it. And it's like, sorry, I'm driving and I don't know which way to hold my hand, but it makes it harder for me to keep my electrolytes up even more. So I really hate that. Now I'm about to get personal. Boys, you may want to plug your ears. I'm ovulating today. So that will be the reason that my weight is up. I swear to you, that is the reason. It happens every month without fail. So hopefully that means, since today's the day, that in the future days it will start to go down. That just seems to be the pattern for me. And so that's kind of what I'm expecting, and I'm not super worried about it. Since I'm in a diet reverse, I could see that scale going up and up and up every day and be panicking, thinking, oh my gosh, I'm gaining weight on 1400 calories. I'm never gonna survive. Obviously, 1400 calories is making me fat. I need to go back to 1300 calories. I need to back it up. No, you don't always assume that the scale is reacting to whatever you are doing. There are so many factors that come into play with regards to the scale. It is not a good determining factor to go by 1 week's weigh-ins to determine whether something is working or not. Give it some time. And that's the thing I have the hardest time with when I'm watching like Jordan Syatt or Colin DeWay talking about reverse dieting. They always say, like, let the scale be the guide, let the scale decide whether or not you're going to keep adding calories and stuff. It does not work for me. And it may not work for you. Even if you're a guy, there's just so many things that can affect the weigh-in. Even just like looking cross-eyed at the scale this morning might affect it. You just never know. So, guys, I don't think that 1 week or 2 weeks is enough time to decide whether or not you are doing what you should be doing. I'm actually at the gas station now. I'm not gonna kill this guy. Why can't I make this turn? It's really tight. Apparently I'm not capable. That's okay. I learned how to back up in driver's ed. Yes I did. Anyway, it's kind of nice to be able to share this with you guys day to day as it's happening to me, so you can see how crazy it is and see what I'm eating and know, like, for a fact without a doubt, like, that the scale is being so crazy. It doesn't even bother me anymore because I've seen it happen so many times, and I'm actually kind of happy it's happening, so I can show you guys that it happens to me all the time. All right, I'm gonna get some gas, and I'll see you guys in a little while. Barely made it. Look at that. Woo! At least the light's not on yet. It's cold. Supposedly, though, it's gonna warm up. So today's gonna be 60. Tomorrow's supposed to be 80. So here's hoping for that. Here's all the ladies. I kind of like that they can't chase me down. Woo! Hello, girls.
Serve others. 7. Know God. 8.
Live with integrity. I am true to myself, I am true to others, I am true to God.
2. 1:30. Things aren't going super awesomely school-wise today. I was hoping it would be a little better. So I'm gonna show you what I'm gonna have. I'm leaving some of it over here for my first meal of the day. Finally, here we go. So I am having 2 fried eggs, 56 grams of mozzarella cheese fried up in a pan, 47 grams of bacon, 3 sugar-free jellos, a cup of 0% Fage Greek yogurt, and I've got peach mango mio in that with 60 grams of strawberries. That is gonna be my first meal of the day. You guys believe that I made up this entire bottle of Ketorade, which is basically, I just put in a tablespoon of Solé, or 2 tablespoons of Solé water, a couple squirts of Mio, and some water, so that I would have freaking Solé to drink at the dance studio, and I didn't even pull it out. I totally forgot. I was so distracted with so many things going on, talking to a friend through the window, and trying to deal with things that are stressing me out on the online and stuff like that, and just, well, anyways, I was dealing with some stressful stuff, and I completely spaced my Solé water. So now I'm trying to down this with my dinner. I might just go shoot some. Do you see now why it's easier? Because this is huge. Okay, and so dinner tonight is chicken breast nachos. It's just 4 ounces of chicken breast, 1 ounce of cheddar cheese, 1 package of nacho cheese Quest chips, 4 tablespoons of salsa, 60 grams of tomato, 2 tablespoons of sour cream. And don't forget 50 grams of bell pepper and 30 grams of onion. And that is going to be my last meal of the day. I just finished editing my Keto Chaos video, just getting started on my hide and seek video. It's 10:30. I'm going to go ahead and grab last dose of Solé, trying to catch up from forgetting earlier. And 3 sugar-free jellos because I'm feeling the need for a late night snack. So I'm going to do that. Say goodnight to you guys now because I probably won't remember later. And I'm going to take my 2 more magnesium pills and my ritual vitamin. I'm just not probably going to show that on this video. But suffice it to say, I took it because I usually don't forget. Anyway, thanks so much for hanging out with me, guys, and being patient with me with all my crazy computer stuff. So far, so good tonight. It has gone well, so thanks for hanging out with me. We'll talk to you all again soon.